can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin Uniswap. Uniswap currently up 2.6% over the last 1 month. Uniswap has rallied up by 56.3% over the last 1 year. Great return back to the cryptocurrency market. We're waiting for that epic altcoin season pump, which will send altcoins going parabolic. Bitcoin dominance is dumping the cryptocurrency market. Uniswap currently trades around $9.5. We look at Uniswap performance against the US dollar. Can we blast to new all-time highs? Can we blast to new yearly highs? Can we blast above this resistance level that have been holding us down for over 2 years? We look at Uniswap's performance against Ethereum. We also look at Uniswap's market cap, which is sitting at the $6 billion region. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Uniswap, currently trading above $9, has a market cap of $9.5 billion, has a fully diluted market cap of $9.55 billion, but a market cap of $6 billion. Total supply for Uniswap is 1 billion tokens. 628 million of those tokens are in circulation. Uniswap's all-time high came in on the 3rd of May 2021. We saw Uniswap trading for as high as $44. Right now is down 78% from that all-time highs. The $18 level has proven to be the line in the sand for Uniswap. Over the last few years, we have not seen Uniswap trade above $18. The last time Uniswap was trading above $18 was in December of 2021. And I believe at some point in time in future, we'll see us blast above that $18 level. But Uniswap has tried multiple times in this cycle and we've gotten rejected. We tried in March of 2024, Uniswap could get to as high as $16. We tried again in December of 2024 when we saw that mini Altseason when all coins went parabolic, XRP, HBAR, XLM. Uniswap also had its own time in the sun. We also saw Uniswap pumping then, but that pump lasted for 119 days and Uniswap went up for around 290%. But we got stopped out in the $18 level, which begs the question, is the cycle over? Are we already dumping to Goblin Town? How low can Uniswap go? I actually tend to flip those questions. I believe, guys, the cycle is not over. I believe Uniswap is not going low at any point in time. I ask myself, how high can Uniswap go? And I believe the $29 to the $30 level will be the next region to watch out for Uniswap in the coming days and the coming weeks. Now, historically, all coins pump at the end of the market cycle. Sorry. The cycle doesn't end when market participants are singing Kumbaya. The cycle always ends when market participants are singing Kumbaya. The market doesn't end when market participants are scared, where we see great return back to the cryptocurrency market towards the end of a market cycle. So if we see Uniswap start pumping aggressively over the next few days and the next few weeks, watch out for the $18 level. And if we blast above $18, we might see Uniswap get to as high as $30. But that's where things get tricky. For Uniswap to get to that $30 region, we need to see around a 234% pump to the upside. For Uniswap to attempt to pump to new all-time highs, we need to see a 381% pump to the upside. Now, there's no any evidence for us over the last 3 years to say Uniswap can pull off a 381% pump in a short period of time. But guys, if you go back to 2021, we've seen Uniswap do that countless times. We've seen Uniswap rally up by over 1,200% in just 126 days. So crazy things happen in the cryptocurrency market. You just have to be at alert. If you want to buy some Uniswap for yourself, you can buy some on Binance, on Bybit, on Uniswap, on Upbit, on BitGet, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Sentiment is improving in the cryptocurrency market. We have seen great return back to the cryptocurrency market. Last week, sentiment was neutral. Extreme greed can be coming in the nearest future. Extreme greed historically is when the cycle ends. Extreme greed is when market participants are FOMOing at any prices, expecting to see higher prices, coupled with Bitcoin dominance dumping. Now, historically, guys, Bitcoin dominance dumping has been a good time for the altcoin market. We saw an example of that in November of 2024, where Bitcoin dominance dumped by just 16%. That sent the altcoin market going parabolic. We saw XRP, XLM, HBAR, even Uniswap having a taste of that mini altcoin season. Right now, altcoins are having a nice time as Bitcoin dominance has been dumping. since June of 2025. Now, not all the altcoins have enjoyed this Bitcoin dominance, latest Bitcoin dominance dump. We have seen Uniswap is one of those altcoins that, even though we can argue that has enjoyed it a little, we have not seen those parabolic blow off tops. We have seen Uniswap since April of 2025 pump by around 152%. But we're extremely returning back to the cryptocurrency market. Never say never. Things can get very, very exciting very, very quickly. A huge dump in Bitcoin dominance over the next few days and the next few weeks will mean capital will flow quickly into the altcoin market, sending a lot of these altcoins going parabolic. And if you look at Uniswap's performance against Ethereum has been on a tear over the last few weeks. Over the last few months, Uniswap is threatening to set new lows against Ethereum. Is that we'll break to new lows against Ethereum, or we see one big bounce? I will not be shocked if Uniswap break to new lows against Ethereum, get market participants very, very bearish, and we see a reversal pumping to higher prices. And this support level that Uniswap is currently on has been tested multiple times. In May of 2022, we tested it. We reversed back to the upside in June of 2023, in April of 2024, in August of 2024, and all these times I'm calling guys for Uniswap has proved to be turning points in the markets right now in September of 2025. Will this be the pump we're waiting for? I believe Uniswap will easily give us a 200% pump to the upside, erasing all the losses we have made since November of 2024. A 200 pump to the upside to see Uniswap reclaiming the price region where it traded in September of 2021. And that's very, very possible, knowing how all coins pump aggressively at the end of the market cycle. You want to never say never, but at the same time, guys, you don't have realistic price predictions. At the end of the market cycle, more unrealistic price predictions will be coming out, more talks about higher price targets, all-time highs, yada yada yada. Be very, very careful. The job you have in this market is to buy low and to sell high, to buy when there's fear in the market, and you want to sell when greed returns back to the currency market. Now, if you look at Uniswap's market cap, currently at the $6 billion level, the line in the sand for Uniswap market cap this cycle has been around $11.5 billion, which is not adding up with the price chart. On the market cap chart, Uniswap has gone higher than we have seen on the price chart. On the market cap chart, Uniswap has gotten back to levels not seen since January of 2022. On the price chart, guys, that will be equivalent of Uniswap rallying. That will be the equivalent of Uniswap rallying to as high as the $19 level, which Uniswap has done, and I believe a new all-time highs can be very, very possible. From where Uniswap got to the $19 level, Uniswap just need to pull up around that 130% pump to the upside. On the market cap side of it, for Uniswap to get to new all-time highs, we just need to see Uniswap pull up at 120% move to the upside. More tokens came to circulation from 2021 to right now, from where Uniswap's market cap is around that $6 billion level. If we're going straight to new all-time highs, that will see Uniswap busting up by more than 300%. Is it possible? It's always possible. It can happen very, very quickly. $1 million question is, will you be selling for some sweet profit when that happens? So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. All coin season around the corner. All coin season happens when more than 75% of the top 50 coins outperform Bitcoin. And right now, many altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin. And eventually, when we get to officially altcoin season, that might be the end of the party. That might be when the cycle top by coming. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying more Uniswap right now? Do you believe in altcoin season? Do you believe we'll see Uniswap trading at an all-time high at some point in time in the nearest future? Drop your thoughts about that. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.